right, folks. Third round of qualifying for factory stock. Factory hot rods. Modern factory hot rods. .818 for Mark Pollock. Skillman car had an issue, obviously.
792 at 177. Or something else.
We got 4 Camaros, it looks like.
4 wide system. We're going to catch up a little bit. Now we're going to go 4 wide. This is what it's all about, folks. This is going to be my first run, along with you. 4 wide Chevy Camaros. All right, Chevrolet fans, dreamed of this. Anthony Troyer, Tater, made the final round out there at Gainesville. First race of the year, lane number 1. Lenny Lottie won the race in Gainesville in lane number 2. The factory stock showdown champion, Aaron Stanley, back-to-back champion, lane number 3. And Ricky Ford, son of Rick Ford, who has run Pro Modified Combinator for many years. We've got 4 wide Chevrolet Camaros, small blocks, supercharged, 3,500 pounds, full interiors, real factory cars. At 175 miles per hour, Stanfield gets there first. 789.7 for Anthony Troyer. That is a Martin powered machine. Ricky Hort with a 786.3 and 791 for Lenny Lottie. 786.3 for Ricky Hort. Another good time. And so close. This is going to be so much fun when we get into eliminations. We watch these guys win and events just like Camping World Series. The next quad rolls out.
All right, here comes Jeff Turk.
22 cars. Love the property.
Jeff's gonna be in lane 2 here.
All right, looks like someone's in the right spot. So we got David Park in lane 3. I know that. All right. Here we go. I can tell you in lane number 1.
Not this run.
A new entry in the factory stock showdown.
We got a Challenger on the far end and 3 Camaros.
How many Chevrolet fans in the house? Wave your arms. You love Chevrolet. Chevy fans, wave your arms. How many Dodge fans? Where are the Mopar people at? And that's about the ratio of this run. 3 to 1. 3 to 1. It doesn't matter how bad it matters how intense you are. Not the size of the dog in the fight, the size of the fight the dog. And Warren Welcher is going to be out there trying to improve on his so far best in the quad. 789.8, 76. This is the first time these racers have done this procedure. It is a little bit different. All right, Dodge fans, won that round. It's not really a round, it's really qualifying.
See that Dodge whip on them Chevrolets?
That does.
I'm just kidding, folks.
785 at 177.
I ain't gonna pull for it.
170 for Mike Patel. 22 Shirley. 792.7 for Lee Barton.
That him coming up?
Yeah, I think he's in the 3rd lane, I believe.
Over the quad.
The two middle lanes are running. I need to shut them down. All right, I'm gonna turn you off just for a second, folks.
And of course, you
Pause
can
you for a
see
second.
the safety. This category is kind of
All right, folks,
expanding
we're back.
into something even newer.
Got 4 cars on the line.
Everybody's very excited about it. Jeff Turner's got one. Almost built. That's the race wheel race. Like who's going to roll out the first factory X-Car? Understandable. It's got one. Order. Terry Haas's Beavers who work all over the country. But that's not going to change this category. This factory stock showdown, these are real factory cars. Scott Limisher ran 858, so he's looking for his first strong passenger weekend. The Hartman, who's typically had a Camaro, breaking out his challenge of the Ford Wall here in this market, 11 weight. So those two looking to step up in the field. 19 and 22nd, Don Bells and Jeff Turk, the #1 qualifier, in the Blackbird SR.
Scott Limisher getting it done, buddy.
He didn't have that thing.
Huh?
The Camaro's whipping his
Yeah,
ass
Scott runs good. He does.
until he got down there. I think he was thinking, I don't want to win the pole, but yeah, I do. Changed his mind.
22 cars on the property. 3 of the cars out there right now are not in the show. Jesse Alexander.
Didn't want a sandbag.
Baltimore Rodriguez, Doug Ham, lane #1. Jesse Alexander, #2. Baltimore Rodriguez, Cinder Puerto Rico, lane #3. Dan Condon, one of the Limisher. So we got Camaros across the board. Mustang. Here.
Just a reminder, folks. This is round 3 qualifying on Saturday.
Takes the strike. 790 Dan Condon. Getting down through there. Doug Ham, 792.5 at 174. Baltimore Rodriguez, 804.8, 170. So everybody. David Barton has been bumped out. Fantastic. Baltimore Rodriguez and Mike Mazelli. David Janik, the Mustang. That's right, Janik. All big Camaros. Their first foray in Mustang style engine. 4 valves per cylinder. Run a 781. So Stanfield guys build an air pump. Stephen Bell, lane #2. Alan Scruggs, lane #3. Challenger. And David Davies from Confident Aviation. David Davies yesterday.
These are pretty good seats.
Save Our Allies, not-for-profit organization. Save Our Allies.org, and all more than David Davies from Constant Aviation, Cleveland, Ohio, over there, lane 4.
Guys, I don't think I am, but I'm hoping I'm getting a good view for you. It's kind of hard to do 4 cars all in the same frame.
1 second off of Jeff Turk's
From my vantage point, at least. All right, I think that's it, folks. So I'm going to turn you off. Hope you enjoyed that.